Today I am talking about most expensive stocks in the US market, and I give something special things about these stocks. And here you can see these stocks trade at this how much price in the US market, 7,92,000 US dollar. These stocks give 1.5% return, and these stocks give in the last 5 days 3% return. These stocks give in the last 1 month 6% return, and these stocks give last 6 months only 5% return. So these stocks not give very good performance return, but over the whole journey if you see these stocks give very good return. 2000 not 250x return these stocks give, approximately 2000 not, but these stocks give very good return. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks, I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.